Welcome to this week's Cruiser Customizing Rear Turn Signal Tip of the Week. This week I'm going to show you how you can take your large, bulky, stock turn signals and replace them with custom, aftermarket turn signals from some of the leading manufacturers. As can be seen here and on the pages and pages of turn signals on the website, there are lots and lots of options. The most popular turn signal options on the market are definitely the small and large silver bullets from Kuryakyn. When it comes to the Kuryakyn silver bullets, there are four basic types you need to take a look at: small and large. And in the small and large, there's two different types. This particular type here is 5/16 inch solid mount. This is a solid bolt that then goes through your fender. With this particular turn signal, the wire comes out the back, so you can mount this to any surface that has a hole. The next application is the hollow bolt mount. As you can see, this wire comes directly out of the bolt housing. This is one of the most popular applications for both Harley-Davidson and metric cruisers. This kit comes complete with 3/8 inch hollow mount bolts, which will attach to just about any Harley-Davidson fender. With the addition of the 2289 kit from Kuryakyn, this piece here threads into your 8mm metric fender. This is an extremely easy way to mount silver bullets to the side of your metric or Harley-Davidson cruiser, and I'll show you exactly how that's done at the end of this tip. Stepping away from the silver bullet, we've got lights from MGO, Bike Master, Barron's, Pro One. All of these manufacturers offer standard marker light applications. As you notice, this particular light has two leads, so one would go to ground and the other would go to the turn signal wire. If you hook this unit up to either the Kuryakyn or Keeson run turn brake controller, you can then modify this and turn it into a running light, turn light, and brake light. As you can see, it comes in black finish, chrome finish. We've got bullets. We've got the Viper style from Pro One. There are lots and lots of options. Now, the last three units I've shown you have been LED. And if you install LEDs on either the front or rear of your motorcycle, you're going to need to install a load equalizer. The load equalizer installs extremely simply. We've got the black wire to ground, and the purple wires go to both the left and right turn signal. What this does is provides a current draw which tells your motorcycle that you do not have a burned out bulb. Another option for rear turns are these awesome units from Kuryakyn. This one here replaces the stock rear turns on a VTX 18 and 1300. Take a look at the awesome transformation that this kit makes on the Roadstar 16 and 1700s. Now that we talked about some of the turn signal options, let's show you how simple it really is to modify the rear of your motorcycle to accept a set of these large silver bullets. Here we're going to install this Kuryakyn 2289 Fender Strut mount kit here on this VTX 1300. I'm going to go ahead and remove this rear 8mm bolt. Once that bolt's removed, I'm going to go ahead and take this 8mm stud, screw it into the fender. Now, one thing you're going to want to make sure that you check is the distance or the amount of bolt thread that hangs out on the back side of this. If too long, you're going to need to trim that down so that you don't make contact with this bolt in the rear tire upon suspension compression. Alright, now that we've got that tightened up, we're going to go ahead and on the back side, we're going to apply this nylock nut so that this cannot back out and come. Next, we want to take this jam nut and go ahead and screw this onto the stud that we just installed into this fender. What this jam nut's going to do, it's going to allow us to keep this light angled in exactly the right position. Now that we've got the jam nut installed, we're going to go ahead and thread this wire through the hollow bolt, out the back side. And now we are going to attach the silver bullet. There we go. Now that we got this light positioned where we want it, we're going to go ahead and take this jam nut light here. There we go. Now we have this light positioned exactly where we want it. If you notice, this particular unit only has one wire, and that's because ground is done through the housing to the frame. Now all I've got to do is find the wire underneath here that connects to the rear turn signal, plug it in, and we should be good to go. So now that I've found my turn signal wire up underneath the fender here, I'm going to go ahead and install a connector, just like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and take the end of my turn signal wire here, strip it off just a little bit more. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and double check that it works before I go ahead and button up the wiring underneath the fender. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip the key, hit the signal, and as you can see, this light is functional. As you can see, the installation of this large silver bullet is extremely simple on the back of this motorcycle. Red and amber lenses are available accessories, so you can put these silver bullets either on the front or the rear of your machine. If you're running a run-turn brake controller, it's mandatory to have a red lens on the back, but if you're using it as just a turn signal, amber is okay. Thank you for joining us for this week's rear turn signal tip of the week. Tune in next week where we talk about run-turn brake controllers, and I'll show you how to install the Kuryakyn unit here on this VTX 1300.